Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to justify text on your WordPress blog post. So from your dashboard, go to your list of posts and click on the post you want to edit. Then scroll down to the block of text that you want to make justified. In this case, it's this section of text here. So click in the block, and on the right side, under Advanced, click Justified. Type Justified. This text is what you will use to reference this block of text. So you highlight it and copy. Come here and do the same thing. So they will all have the same anchor. And then when we are done selecting the text, click Update. Then we're going to style the text that we have just referenced as justified. So we're going to use this justified identifier to style the text. To do that, we need to open the style sheet for our theme and then type the code there. So do that, let's go to where your site files are stored and open the theme files. Open your theme file, your theme folder, and open the style sheet for your theme, which is style.css. Then press the hash sign and type the text that you are using to reference the block of text you want to justify, and then include opening and closing brackets and type the code. And save. Once you have saved it, take a look at your site to see the changes. You can see that the text is justified. This one is justified. This is the text that we referenced. We didn't justify the last two blocks of text in this section, and the rest of the content is not justified. So for those who don't like the edges being uneven for your block of text, you can justify your text using this method. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can get more videos like this one. Thank you and have a great day.